Get in, get in, get in! Watch out! Grenade!
We've got left and front.
In the tree! Loads of tokens in that tree! Connor! Loads of tokens in the tree right in front of you! Behind you! There's another hanging up!
You'll give it to Marshall, isn't you?
Yep!
Marshall! Right.
Oh, you monkey, right!
Triangle!
Yeah.
We've got another team on the side of the tunnel.
Uh-huh. We can't split the team though. And we're holding the dumb box in a room just in here.
John!
So as long as you can keep them getting through this little tunnel, you're doing your job up there.
There's one up in the tree there!
Anyone got eyes on?
Right, all we need Martin to get out and then we can kill back.
You got eyes on there? No, because then they'll take the dumb box.
Oh, well, let's go
there.
the gun box then. I'll keep an eye on shit.
You can have eyes on.
Yeah, I had eyes on, he's directly there.
Pause it till it covers. Full stay up here. Guys, don't stand in the way, don't stand in the way. One down. Sarah's on the steps.
Team, you bastard.
No one's on the same team here.
I know.
Another one round the corner.
Yep, it's Sarah on top of the stairs.
Long game, keep it with
Sarah, well done! Move! Move!
Sorry, one from me.
It was one from each of us, sorry.
Top of the stairs. Yeah. Run! Fuck off! Nice bang! Hit the marshal though!
Is this our squad?
There's only two here, and us two.
Is that our squad? So just...
Well, I've ordered this
That's not-
Marshall. Marshall, there's only two here and a load there. So do you want us to join with them?
Yeah, go for it. What, join them?
Jack,
Do whatever.
we're with you.
All right.
We're with you.
Whatever to have fun. Fuck it. Well, there's one straight that way. Yeah, just thank you.
Go behind the knee, mate. Well done, man.
Yeah, that's a man.
Excuse me. Where's that fucking Dom box? Guys! Along this hedge line, and those, can you put some covering fire? So I'm going to run across to the Dom box, shooting at those two, but I can't watch my flank on this left hand side. I want you to put the heads down on this side, right? Oh, fucking hell.
Nice finger on the button.
Yep. There's two on the field. I'm sending pot shots, I've seen us coming. But all of the rest are in the rooms.
All the rest are in the room. Yeah. It's because they're up the top. So we've got to scoot back a bit.
It's those guys over there that are keeping us down.
Watch your left! How many times did you hit? Don't shoot me. You were hit before you got there.
You put that back on blue.
Fucking point blank range to the eye.
Right guys, we got people on the left of this bus.
Yep, coming out this doorway here.
Yep.
On the stairs. They're just in range. There's only about 3 of them at the other side of these stairs. So if you and me go around and just run straight round, take them out.
You take the clocks and when we hit 1 PM exactly.
You can get Adam to come with us. He'll do a run as well.
Sweet.
Right.
You got it! You were hit before you got it!
What just moved?
Stop cheating then! Yeah, he's took it. If you want to run for it, we can keep the heads down. Ah, fuck.
That was right
Well
close
played,
to my
man.
fucking luck.
Oh, sorry.